Here and there today, though, there's been a lot of severe weather south of us, though. A lot of hail and a few wind reports, southern Indiana down into Kentucky and Tennessee. And with a few little storms we've had, we've actually got a severe thunderstorm warning now in effect issued by the Weather Service. This is for Pulaski County till 6:15, about another half an hour. And the same for Fulton County. Now, the main threat here would be hail. We had 1-inch diameter hail that was reported at Francisville a little bit earlier, actually about 15 minutes ago. And looking at that cell in the southern part of Pulaski County, it's not rotating. It's got a low probability of severe hail, but it's got a very high probability. It's producing 3/4 inch hail. Also, the storm just to the east of Winamac, it looks like it's got a 100% probability it's producing 3/4 inch hail, but a low probability of severe hail. So it looks like it's not quite up to severe limits, but it's very close. And those parameters were 100% severe hail when it went through Francisville. So I'm pretty confident that's pretty accurate. We had the 1-inch stone reported there at Francisville. Now back to 3D. Again, a few little storms will continue through the evening here. Notice on our Renaissance cam, clouds bubbling up in the heating of the day. We had a high of 82. It's record warm for the date. The old record was in 1945 at 79. So a couple storms around through the evening. I wouldn't be surprised if one or two produce a little bit of hail. Winds will be out of the south-southwest and very mild, 70 degrees at 11 o'clock. And tomorrow, more record warmth. The record's 79. More record warmth Saturday. The record's 78. Both days will be around 81. And the records are from 1945. And again, little waves, little short waves are kicking out of the Rockies, and they get over this very warm air mass. It's humid, and we pop storms. We're popping a few out there right now, and it looks like we'll have perhaps some episodes of pretty organized storms over the weekend and through next week, and some of those will be severe. You know, we had a lot of severe weather to our south today. We could get in on at least some of that with time. Now, after only 61 tonight, upper 70s to low 80s tomorrow, 81 Lafayette, Monticello, 80 Remington, 79 Rochester, and very warm even into Saturday. Again, upper 70s to lower 80s, 82 Crawfordsville, 81 at Monticello. Notice on Futurecast tonight, again, there are a few of the storms around. There still could be a couple into the overnight hours. And even into the day tomorrow, just a couple little storms around, popping up here and there. They may get a little more organized over the weekend, and especially as we get into next week, as that trough dips in and little disturbances eject out of the Rockies. We've got just several episodes of storms to get through, but it stays very warm. We're probably going to break the 1910 record of about 2 weeks at or above 70. It sure is looking like it, and we may shut the rain off by Wednesday and Thursday, but frost and freezing to end the month and go into early April.
Not out of the picture yet.
Not yet.
All right, Chad, thank you.
Thanks, Chad. Well, still to come this half hour, well, these early spring